Hello everyone. Today we'll see about annual reports and how to read them to analyze a company. An annual report is a comprehensive yearly report of a company. Published at the end of the financial year, the report details the company's activities during the year. These reports are sent out to the shareholders of the company and other interested parties. Since it is published by the company, all data and information in the report is considered to be official. Experts and investors study the report in order to make their investment decisions. Now let's see what is in an annual report. This annual report is divided into sections, and these sections are letter from the chairman, performance highlights, 10-year summary, financial statements, and management discussion and analysis. In general, annual reports start with a letter from the chairman of the company. This letter gives an overview of the company's development in the past year. It includes the successes and challenges faced and any changes in the top management personnel of the company. This section gives a good idea of the company's past performance and future goals and ambitions. It is useful for the investor to observe this letter to see if the company is transparent about the past events and if the management team is realistic or too optimistic about its goals. Then the next section is performance highlights. This section of the report gives a snapshot of the company's financial performance in the past year. The information is generally in the form of graphs or tables. Financial information such as revenue trend, earnings trend, cash usage, and shareholder payouts are detailed in this section. This is generally provided as a multi year comparison. It gives an idea of how the company has progressed over the years on different metrics. Then the next section is 10-year summary. This section provides an overview of the company's progress in the past 10 years. This data offers insight regarding the growth pattern of the company. Is it growing steadily year after year, or do you see ups and downs over the years? A company that progresses steadily is generally better than one that is more erratic. Also, pay close attention to any new products or services launched by the company during this time span, because such launches could result in higher numbers and better performance by the company during a certain period. Sift through the company's numbers to get a better understanding of the company's performance during your analysis. Then the next section is the financial statements. This is probably the most important segment of the entire report. Most investors go through the numbers in these statements to understand how the company performed financially during the past year. There are three statements that a company presents in this report: profit and loss statement, balance sheet statement, and cash flow statement. Then the next section is management discussion and analysis. This section gives an overview of the important aspects such as the economic activity in the country and the overall health of the industry. In other words, you could get insight regarding the macroeconomic trends and business sentiments. It talks about the company's strategy regarding investments, talent acquisition, and business growth. You can find out the threats and opportunities that the company faces. You can also find out if the company has any advantages compared to its competitors in the market. Annual reports are great tools for investors when it comes to decision making. Read the report carefully and between the lines to understand if the company has the potential to grow. In addition to analyzing the financial statements, also make sure to go through the footnotes to get a better understanding. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos on stock market and trading, please subscribe to this channel. If you would like to create a free Demat account, click the link in the description and fill out your details.